Hey everyone, it's springtime and a lot of our plants are really starting to put out a lot of new growth. So we wanted to give you a quick refresher on how to trim them up. This is just Japanese elm. This is Zen, our Japanese elm. And if you can see, he put out a lot of new growth just in the past probably month, maybe 2 months. So the first thing that we want to do is look at the shoots that have grown the fastest. And you can see that these guys, they really take away the shape of the plant. They're really hiding what's going on underneath. So there's 3 really quick tips that we normally give people. The first tip is anything that's growing straight up. So this guy, these are 2 that can come off. I'll prune them pretty close to the base, but leaving 1 or 2 leaves at the bottom so that that branch doesn't completely die. There's the other one right here. We'll leave these 2 at the bottom. Leave a little bit of room for dieback and take that off, okay? So that's an easy one. Anything that grows straight up, that's step 1. Step 2, anything that grows straight down. So you can see a couple of them right here. Here's one. What else is coming straight down? This guy right here is almost at a 90-degree angle straight down. So we're gonna do the same thing for those. Right there. Here's another one. Actually, we're going to cut that off pretty high. And this one's not straight down, but it's on an angle, so that's going to go too. Okay. Step 3 is anything that's crossing or anything that's going toward the center of the plant. So if it's growing toward the core, this one I'm going to have to lift it up a little bit. The stuff that's growing straight into the core or crossing other branches, we also tend to take out. So this guy right here, for example, is really just growing right into the center of the plant. And there's a couple of them here. All right. So those are basic rules. I'm going to go through and do a really quick trim. And now that I can see a little bit more of what's going on in the center, getting rid of all those really fast-growing shoots, I can get a better idea of what's crossing inside to open it up and air it out just a little bit more. So you can see in just a couple of minutes, we can kind of refresh the look, make it look ready for spring. And opening that up also allows more light to hit the trunk, really healthy for it. It allows airflow and just makes an overall healthier and more beautiful tree. Hope that helps.